Holy crap! Let's go! First one of the season!
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
All of you shut up.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois.
Not a single one of these failed. Let's go. All of them went.
6:36 p.m. A line of
Did you
showers
go off?
and isolated severe thunderstorms
You
were
did go
located
off, but how
along
come
a
you
line
didn't decode the
extending from
alert?
Geneva to Newark, moving east at 35
How
miles
weird.
per hour. A wind gust to 58 miles per hour was observed
Oh,
at
it's
our airport
standby.
in Sugar Grove with ease. Despite little to no lightning, there are isolated severe gusts with these showers.
Okay, what else is going off?
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source:
You're
radar
not going
indicated.
off.
Impact:
Ooh, you went
expect
off.
damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted.
What is still
include
going off?
Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Batavia,
Here we go.
Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Yorkville,
You're still
Hinsdale,
going.
Lamont, Plano, Burridge, and Westmont, including
You're going.
Interstate 55 between mile marker.
And you're going. Wow. A surprising amount of radios failed. It seems just random. The lacrosse failed, Sharecom failed. It froze when it got the alert. I just got this today. And of course it didn't go off. I didn't have this on standby, that's fine. Okay, that decided to fix itself, that's cool. Yeah, all of these got it, this got it, this got it, this got it. Did you fail? Yeah, you failed. Oh well. Oh well, that's on channel 4. I don't think channel 4... Oh wait. No. Okay. No failures. Just channel 4 didn't tone it. That totally explains it, because these are on channel 4. And this was off the wall, because I was trying to find a new location for it. I was trying to put something here, but, wow. This didn't go off. Oh well. This didn't go off, that's a shame. This on channel 1 went. I'm so glad I moved it here. Wow. First one of the season. Hell yes.
Airport, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Burbank, and Lansing.
Nice.